안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today we'll be making Keto Kimbap, which is low carb kimbap. Kimbap is a seaweed rice roll with your favorite fillings in it. Keto Kimbap is trending these days in Korea. Kimbap is one of the most popular meal in Korea. You can practically find kimbap everywhere. Let's get started. We want to start from preparing the fillings that go in our kimbap. The cucumber needs to be finely julienned. Mandolin makes an even perfect thin cuts in a short time. Let's cut small red bell peppers into strips. And just roughly shred the crab meat. Sprinkle 1/3 teaspoon of salt to the cucumbers. Toss and set it aside for 10 minutes. I'm going to rinse the kimchi in a running cold water and then squeeze out excess liquid from kimchi. Basically, it's better to remove as much moisture as possible from the ingredients of kimbap, and washed kimchi balances out the taste of kimbap. We'll be using eggs instead of cooked rice. Break 3 large eggs and season with salt. Gently beat them. Heat the pan over medium-low and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Pour half of the egg mixture and tilt the pan to almost cover bottom of the pan. Now turn it over and let's cook it for additional 1 to 2 minutes. Don't brown it. This recipe makes 2 rolls of kimbap, so make 2 to 3 sheets of scrambled eggs. Squeeze out the excess liquid from the salted cucumbers. You can make a super crunchy texture just by salting the cucumber for a while and then squeezing it tight. We're ready to roll our kimbap. Place longer side of kimbap seaweed on the board towards you and put the cooked egg on the seaweed sheet. Then lay the prepared ingredients on the top of the egg. Then brush the end of the seaweed sheet with water. Now lift the entire bottom edge with both hands and roll over the filling away from you, tucking in the filling with your fingers. Try to roll it tight. Bamboo mat helps to put firm pressure over the roll. Let's roll our second kimbap. You may add mayonnaise if you like. I'll give you 1 tip for making kimbap successfully. Roll it as tightly from the bottom as you were rolling a sleeping bag. The mat helps to make it, but if you don't have it, you may substitute it to a clean and thick towel that is not too big. Then cut the roll into a 1/2 inch thick pieces with sharp knife. In order to prevent your kimbap from breaking apart, you'll need to tightly roll it and then carefully cut them. There are many variations of kimbap these days, and if you're cutting back on starches these days but still crave a delicious kimbap, today's recipe is recommended. Thank you for watching. See you again.